The 1981 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am represents the final model year of the second-generation Firebird and serves as a living legend of American muscle car history. By the time 1981 rolled around, Pontiac was known for giving enthusiasts a car that was bold in design, aggressive in stance, and unforgettable in presence. This particular example, finished in radiant red over a striking black and red interior, is far more than just a late second-gen Trans Am. It is a pace car-inspired, heavily upgraded performance machine that has been restored, modernized, and celebrated in the collector community. Today, we take a closer look at this incredible 1981 Trans Am, a car that not only carries the soul of a true muscle machine but also features a unique story, prestigious awards, and a performance drivetrain built to thrill. With a Blueprint Engine's 396 Ci V8 under the hood, a 4L80E automatic transmission, and a series of enhancements that turn this car into a showstopper, this Firebird is the embodiment of Pontiac's glory days, preserved and reimagined for the modern enthusiast. A celebrated build. From Nationals winner to collector favorite, it's one thing to own a restored Firebird, but it's another to hold the keys to a first-place winner at the 2024 Trans Am Nationals in the modified division. This car's reputation precedes it, not only as a visual standout but also as a mechanically enhanced example that commands respect wherever it goes. Adding to its collectible charm is a glove box personally signed by John Schinella, Pontiac's legendary designer who led the Firebird program during its most iconic years. That signature alone makes this Trans Am a unique piece of Pontiac history, directly linking the car back to the creative mind that shaped the very identity of the Firebird. Furthermore, the drivetrain was built and enhanced by Blueprint engines, carrying a warranty and confidence in quality. Unlike many older restorations, this Trans Am has only 800 reported miles driven since completion, ensuring that the upgrades remain fresh and that the car has barely been exercised beyond shakedown miles. The restoration was a frame-on rebuild, giving it both cosmetic brilliance and mechanical dependability without losing the authenticity of its original structure. For enthusiasts seeking a balance of originality, performance, and collector-grade presentation, this Trans Am checks all the right boxes. Ownership and provenance. Currently offered by a dealer in Michigan, this car comes with a clear title and supporting documents, including a Carfax report. While the report does mention a past branded title, it's important to note that no such brand exists on the corrected Illinois title, ensuring peace of mind for future ownership. The Carfax history begins in 1989, documenting its life across Indiana and Illinois. At one point, the car was listed under the Exceeds Mechanical Limits designation, a common notation for older vehicles when odometer readings were considered unreliable or rolled over past 6 digits. Today, the car presents as a fully restored and carefully preserved collector piece, far beyond the concerns of its decades-old paperwork. Exterior, a striking red presence with classic Trans Am attitude. When it comes to the Firebird Trans Am, the exterior is just as important as the performance. The second-gen Firebird became a cultural icon largely because of its bold styling, aggressive lines, and unforgettable decals. This example has been refinished in bright red, a color that emphasizes its performance nature and gives it a more commanding presence compared to the original cameo white it wore from the factory. Complementing the paint are black decals, which contrast perfectly against the body and add to the classic Firebird personality. A rear spoiler, T-tops, and dual color-matched side mirrors bring authenticity, while the black bumpers and subtle updates create a harmonious balance between original styling and modern presentation. From every angle, this car announces itself as a showpiece. The T-tops not only allow for open-air driving but also represent one of the most desirable options for late 70s and early 80s Trans Ams. Whether at a car show, a national meet, or just cruising down the boulevard, this Firebird demands attention. Wheels and tires, classic Snowflake style. No Trans Am feels complete without the legendary Snowflake wheels, and this 1981 model delivers with a set of 15-inch snowflakes that connect it directly to its factory heritage. Wrapped in 255/60 Cooper Cobra radial tires, the stance is both muscular and true to its period-correct aesthetic. These wheels serve as more than just rolling stock. They're symbolic of Pontiac's design language of the era. Their intricate style and polished finish ensure that the car looks just as impressive when standing still as it does in motion. Interior red and black performance-inspired comfort. Step inside this Trans Am, and the interior tells the story of both nostalgia and performance. The black and red cloth upholstery perfectly complements the exterior, while the Recaro bucket seats elevate comfort and driving support. These seats were a premium choice for performance cars and remain highly desirable among collectors today. The center console with automatic shifter blends practicality with sportiness, while features like cruise control, power windows, power steering, and a tilt steering column make this Trans Am as enjoyable for long-distance drives as it is for short blasts. Adding a touch of modern convenience is an aftermarket Sony stereo system with AM/FM and auxiliary input, ensuring that while the car maintains its retro atmosphere, it doesn't sacrifice entertainment value for daily usability. The overall cabin feels driver-focused, immersive, and true to the Trans Am spirit. Instruments and gauges, driver-centered performance. The dashboard of this Firebird features a suite of classic gauges, including an 85 miles per hour speedometer, 6,000 RPM tachometer, oil pressure, temperature, voltage, fuel gauge, and clock. The odometer shows 26,623 miles, though as noted, the title reads mileage exempt. One known imperfection is that the speedometer is currently inoperable, a relatively minor issue in the grand scheme of its restoration and performance upgrades. Despite that, the cluster presents cleanly and provides the driver with all the essential information needed to monitor the car's performance. Engine and transmission blueprint power and modern reliability. The heart of this Trans Am is a Blueprint Engine's 396 Ci V8, a powerhouse that transforms this Firebird into a true performance monster. Fitted with a 4-barrel carburetor, aftermarket intake manifold, and a B-Cool radiator, this engine not only delivers thrilling horsepower but also ensures cooling efficiency and reliability. Paired with the engine is a 4-speed 4L80E automatic transmission with overdrive, a modern upgrade that offers both durability and highway-friendly cruising. The inclusion of a billet triple-disc torque converter further enhances its drivability and performance. Originally equipped with a 301 Ci V8, this Firebird now carries an engine that far surpasses its factory specifications, bringing it into a realm of performance that modern enthusiasts can truly appreciate. Undercarriage, suspension, brakes, and exhaust. Underneath, this Firebird continues to impress with a series of performance upgrades. Quick performance 9-inch rear end. Caltrax traction. Bars for improved grip and stability. Double adjustable shock absorbers for customizable ride quality. 4-wheel power disc brakes for confident stopping power. Dual exhaust system for both performance and aggressive sound. These upgrades ensure that this Trans Am not only looks and feels like a show car, but also drives like a true performance machine. Whether carving through back roads or cruising at highway speeds, this setup provides control, stability, and muscle car excitement. Known imperfections. While the car is a standout in nearly every respect, it's worth noting a couple of imperfections for full transparency. Speedometer is inoperable. AC system has been removed. These issues don't detract from its overall usability and performance, but are important details for any potential buyer to be aware of. Collector appeal and market value. The second-generation Trans Am, particularly those from 1977 to 1981, has enjoyed a massive surge in collector interest. Popularized by films like Smokey and the Bandit, the Trans Am became one of the most recognizable muscle cars of its time. Today, these cars represent a bridge between the raw power of the early 70s muscle era and the styling flair of the 1980s. This particular car goes beyond being just another restored Firebird. With its award-winning history, John Schinella's signature, upgraded drivetrain, and attention to both cosmetic and mechanical details, it stands as an investment-worthy collector piece. Its mix of originality, modification, and proven show success make it highly desirable for enthusiasts looking to add a unique Trans Am to their stable. Conclusion: a rare opportunity to own a true American icon. The 1981 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am presented here is far more than a classic muscle car. It's a living icon that has been meticulously restored, upgraded, and celebrated. With a Blueprint Engine's 396 Ci V8 under the hood, modern transmission, suspension enhancements, and a cabin that blends nostalgia with comfort, it offers the best of both worlds. Show-ready beauty and exhilarating performance. Add in its Trans Am Nationals victory, John Schinella's signature, and low miles since restoration, and you have a car that is not only collectible but also historically significant. For enthusiasts seeking an American icon that embodies performance, design, and provenance, this 1981 Firebird Trans Am is a rare opportunity.